Hello, I'm Dave Hillier, and today we're going to talk about people, process and data in a quick introduction into Appian. Many of the companies I have spoken to have collected a large number of systems and data silos over the years, be that through growth by acquisition or just that it's too costly to get rid of some legacy technologies. The systems are often not interconnected and suffer from a lot of data duplication and quality issues. That is because the glue between these systems are the people. They are often following large documents of process steps or Visio diagrams and doing copy and paste activities everywhere. They commonly have to resort to using Microsoft Office tools like email and Excel, creating tracking spreadsheets just to understand the state of the current process. This leads to a lot of meetings, emails and chat messages to hand over and coordinate the work that needs to be done. Life becomes very admin heavy and it lacks a reliable audit trail, so everybody ends up on the CC list. This is rarely a happy work life. What you need is a digital glue. To understand how Appian can help, it's important to appreciate three core concepts within the platform. We have people, we have process, and we have data. If we arrange these around the sides of a triangle with our people, process and data, we can then join this up with some of the fundamental pieces of the Appian puzzle that help you improve your business flows. First, we have records, and records connect your people to your data. No matter where that data resides, through Appian's integration layer, you can connect to your systems of record and bring all of that data together into Appian's data fabric. You can stitch those different record sources together by defining the relationships between them. And records are typically business-friendly concepts, like your cases, your customers, or your products. These are the fundamental data assets that all of your business processes will be built upon. Now that your users have access to data from across your estate in a single place, we want to give them the ability to take action on it. And actions in Appian start processes. Processes are where you orchestrate the user journey that you want to guide your staff on. Here you apply the logic and the guardrails you need to ensure that your business runs as you need it to. Your processes can access, move and manipulate data using your business rules and move it along the chain between your systems of record. Processes can call on RPA bots to simulate human keyboard strokes and access systems without APIs, and integrate machine learning models that can be used to aid or even automate decisions within your processes. But one of the most important things it does is to audit track and manage the allocation and completion of work through the assignment of tasks. And tasks bring people back into the process at the right time. They manage the handover of information and work between teams and allow you to track what work is done and what is outstanding. And this leads us nicely into reporting. Appian makes it easy for you to configure real-time dashboards that give you the management information you need to keep control and have good oversight into the state of the workload on your teams. No more tracking spreadsheets and progress update calls to get in sync. Everybody can see what needs to be done. Let's stack this up to bring it all together and do a little recap. Appian is taking you from a place of complexity across your estate to one of simplicity for all of your users. Whether there are unauthenticated customer users accessing the start of your processes, or your internal teams from a call center on a desktop computer, to your management team working on mobile as they run for a flight. Appian lets you curate a tailored total experience for your users that they will love, and you'll get to exploit automation in your end-to-end business processes every step of the way to make sure you meet your business goals. The processes you design can be easily changed to meet your business demands, and you let the software guide your users through getting the job done, always working to the latest best practices that you've created and doing that in a consistent and reliable way. You're instantly surfacing data securely via Appian's data fabric to the right users at the right time from wherever it resides across your business, whether that's from integrations or via RPA. And finally, we give you the tools that you need to understand what is happening in your underlying processes, both in Appian and in other systems in your estate using process mining. You get a window of insights into what's really happening, and you can even investigate the patterns and conditions that cause it, all driven with AI analysis, allowing you to perform that continuous improvement in a measured way and preventing your staff wasting time building workarounds to your software that previously couldn't change quickly enough for your business demands. You can now stay ahead of the game. So that's a quick introduction into Appian, and there's so much more we can show you that can help you drive better outcomes in your business.